We need 100 cooking mix and 60 rainbow for 5 movements. What we will buy now is cooking mix. I have bought and planted 60 rainbow and I will take you with me when it's time to harvest. Now, let's go to Waterland 840 for where we harvest our rainbows. We create movement in the windmill. We just need to click the windmill and the recipe will open. Movement will take 5 minutes to create, so we will just wait until it's done. If we are lucky, we can have the next turn. We are not able to get the next turn, so we will just feed the cow at Corinne's lawn. It's this cow which will give us turd or milk. It will give 3 turds out of for feed. Movement por favor is the cow's signal that it is asking for a feed. When the cow already ate the feed, it will prompt digesting. It will take 1 hour and 20 minutes before we collect the turd or milk, and then we could feed the cow again. We will go back to Waterland 844 to try our luck in the windmill. If the windmill is in use by somebody, we need to wait until we get the turn. After 1 hour and 20 minutes, we could go back to Corinne's lawn to collect the turd or milk. And then, feed the cow with movement again. If the cow already ate the movement, can't use this item here. Prompt will appear as you keep on clicking the cow. We will make use of our time by creating movement in the windmill while we wait for the turd. Let's transfer to another land 510, because we could not get a turn here. We could click the recipe on while we wait for the create button to highlight in yellow. Then we click it fast enough so that we could have the turn. It's now time to collect the turd, so we will go back to Terra Villa at Karen's lawn. This really needs patience, because even when you just want to click the cow, the crowd around the cow is clicked instead. You could even accidentally click the visit button on someone else's land. What we should do is go back to Terra Villa and walk back up. Then we will continue our pursuit to luckily click the cow. We are already done creating 5 movements. So we will focus our attention in collecting the turd. It's our lucky day indeed. We have collected a turd and a milk. We will now deliver 4 turds in bucks galore to complete the pixel task. Let's have a recap. We spent 180 coins for the grain bow, 1,000 coins for the cooking mix, a total of 6 hours to grow the grain bow and feed the cow. Cow Turd is really a doable pixel task for free-to-play non-VIP players. Thank you for watching. Until next time.